Sleep, my veins run dry, I'm empty. I can't see, I'm blinded by this concrete. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months?
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How have you been? Mumbai has been unexpectedly very hot this year. And few days back we had unexpected rain showers as well. Abnormal weather is no more a new terminology in our dictionary. All have been experiencing this in different parts of the world. Today I thought I'll share some simple zero-cost organizer which is not only eco-friendly but also will make your home look really beautiful.
Let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now.
She has spring break and I wanted to make her some healthy cookies for her evening snack. During her milk time, she really craves for some nice sweet things. These cookies are healthy and made from oats, almond and sesame seeds. They bake beautifully and you can store them on shelf for 3 to 4 days. They stay beautiful and fresh in fridge for up to 15 days. You can also store this dough in the freezer up to a month.
Thinking of this over, let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now.
We don't have any local vegetable vendor near to our society. So often I rely on online shopping. I get these cotton bags and I store them in this DIY basket that I shared with you few months back. This has lasted so well, looks stunning and classy. The larger one holds my iron and the ironing mat. Many companies are now opting for paper bags as takeaway bags or as shopping bags. They can be turned into amazing organizers. One of the paper bag I'm using to store all my kitchen towels that I use for all my photography props. Let me show you how I fold my kitchen towels.
So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. Let us just do my love and see where
Do not forget to tuck the corner properly, and it will give you a nice stack of towels which will not move inside the baskets. Also, if you want to store it in a file folder way, tilt the basket as shown. It will be easier for you to keep the things. Now I want to store 2 of my aprons as well, but instead of pushing it from the top like this, just turn it vertically and it will help you to store the aprons properly. These are small little hacks, but it works wonders. And we have an amazing organizer with us. For past couple of videos, I have been sharing with you lots of organizer that I have created out of my home waste, like this toothbrush holder, which I don't use it anymore, but with a piece of 2 cardboards stuck in between, it works to store all these sachets of pizza seasoning and tomato sauce. My entire under the sink cabinet is another example where I have created these garbage bag dispenser out of an ice cream tub. These are olive jars where I am storing all my knickknacks of cleaning supplies. This gives an aesthetically pleasing look to the space and at the same time makes it very easy to access all the supplies in one place. This is Ishi's milk formula boxes and I have been using them forever now. Often at times just removing the labels from the bottles, it gives you a very clean surface and reduces all the visual clutter.
So let us just do my love and not stop to think any of this over. Let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now.
We eat millets almost every day, and not always we eat in a very traditional fashion. Here is one such recipe where I have combined absolutely the trending style of Asian bowls with millets. This millet bowl recipe I am using proso millet, and I'm going to pair this with loads and loads of vegetables. Often at times, a DIY organizer I feel requires a lot of painting and adding embellishments. But turning a carton box inside out just exposes the beautiful brown color, which looks very aesthetic, and it's super easy to make. You don't even need too many supplies for this. I'll be using to organize all these Ziploc bags, rice bags, and simple plastic bags that comes inside the house in one form or the other. They all need to have a right home.
I need something fast. I need something to last and give satisfaction. No, help me grab his right arm. Help me, I'll take the left. Oh, help me interrogate him. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Oh, can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience?
You can also use these types of paper bags. They also look really beautiful. And you can make the best use out of them. For papers, I will highly recommend that you fold them inwards, and for plastic bags, you fold them outwards. I'm going to use these to segregate all the melons that is so much in this summer. We love eating melons, and my fridge cabinet is organized.
Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. Hold on, he will break and you and me. We will go.
This is one of the bedsheet boxes that I had for a very long time. I will create a simple organizer using stick-on hooks. This will become a home for all the paper wraps, cling wraps.
Raise me. I need something fast. I need something to last and give satisfaction. No, help me grab his right arm. Help me, I'll take the left. Oh, help me interrogate him. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your
Often we think of big DIYs when it comes to organizing, but simply grouping things together often helps in organizing the place. Like these paper bags can stay inside this large paper bag. At almost zero cost, I was able to organize every little knickknack that came inside the kitchen. Paper bags, plastic bags, spices, sachets, garbage bag, cleaning supplies, all little things. This by far is my most favorite organizer because it organizes all the little knickknacks in the fridge which often gets lost. So I might be making one more in the future. When I'm going to share my fridge organization, you will see it. I will wipe the sides of the fridge with a paper towel and stick some transparent sellotape. And on top of that, I'll place these stick-on hook and organize all ginger, lemons, fresh turmeric. They all have a home and they will not rot in my fridge.
on a different days, but we're just as happy. Remember when you were 5, every day by my side. Oh, oh, oh. My best friend God sent my own good fortune. You know you are my double flame whisper, my soulmate sister. You know you are. Oh, every time life gets rough, you know you are the one that picks me up, the one that fills my cup. You know you are.
Often we assume to make changes in life we have to move mountains. Tweaking things a little and using what you have, you can have a beautiful home or an amazing platter. By the way, this millet platter not just had loads of vegetables, but it tasted incredible. It was so delicious. It is absolutely worth trying.
We are so unbreakable. My best friend God sent my own good fortune. You know you are my double flame whisper.
Please leave me your comments if you have watched till here and enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing if you haven't, and give this video a big thumbs up. Until next time, bye-bye.
Life gets rough. You know you are the one that picks me up, the one that fills my cup. You know you are.